Hello guys, welcome to the one username with a unboxing of this digital wall clock. So this time it has the moon, also on the indoor. I'm at a indoor temperature here, guys. As you can see. So guys, yeah, it's a record clock. I didn't take out yet, guys. I'm gonna be we getting out now. So guys, let's do this. And yes, guys, I have this little thing right here. Awesome, guys. Also, guys, don't forget there is a little important thing, guys. You must do this. Try to get it removed. Oh, first, guys, where's my? Alright, now, guys. This is the what came with, guys. I will install it later. So guys, now we can peel off this little thing here, guys. Just peel it off. Yep, see? Just stick it on my bed for now. Okay. Now I gotta just put the batteries in now. So please might want to put some batteries in. Alright guys, now we're back. Now here we go. Yeah guys, this is what it looks like, guys. So guys, now please mind while I set this up. Alright guys, now welcome back. Now it's currently trying to find the time right now, guys. I can see it's trying to do its best now, guys. I can see this is how it looks when it first came back. This is when it first came. This is when it was first came into the factory. Anyways, it's Friday, June. Let's see. Let me think, you guys. July or January 1st. So right now it's trying to do its best now. So guys, also I have this little stand here, guys. See, guys. See, pretty cool. Okay, this is the rest of the boxing. I might put this outside. I might. So guys, goodbye.